Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 4th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top-down analysis on gold for this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So in other ways on gold, we're still in a very overlapping, very corrective pattern. Now, to me, this still looks like impulsive down. Looks very corrective up, and I could even make out a possible recognizable correction here. Looks like an A and maybe even like a WXY for the wave B and possibly a wave C. We are sitting at the 78% fib. We do have a power speed starting in a very short amount of time. If this does, make it a nice engulfing move down, especially at the news event, I think there's a good chance that we still might end up going down and making that wave C, and that this over here is the A, this over here would be the B, and then we'd make a decent move down, maybe even similar to this move over here for the wave C. So that could be a pretty good setup. If it does not respect this 78% and it pushes above it, then that's definitely going to invalidate that. And that means it's probably going to go up to at least one of these two highs right here to finish off the wave B, and that the wave B is not complete yet. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.